everyone. A very good morning. Thank you for being here today. So my team told me that you have a keynote presentation at the summit. So I quickly tried to make couple of slides, put them together, and so I don't have a nice pitch deck like my previous speaker Stan. He did very well with his pitch. I just wanted to discuss and maybe enlighten you all that what we are building in the Chingari app with the Gari social token, what is the grand vision behind Chingari. So I would just like to give a backdrop of the story. I think all of you saw the AV, like how we all started. So we started as a Web2 company, like a typical social media network, trying to acquire users, and then get them on board, get them on the platform, and then eventually collect their data and monetize that data, like other global giants like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. One fine evening in around Jan 2021, I was reading around Web3 and Daus. Daus are decentralized autonomous organizations. And that struck my mind, like, this is how the future of internet should be. This is how the next generation of internet companies should be built. The users who are giving away their time, their data, their locations, access to their valuable information, they should be made part of the journey, not like someone who should be monetized and just used. So this led to the creation of Gari tokens, which is basically a DAO token, which our users, our creators earn when they, as a creator, when you are creating content on TikTok or Instagram, you don't earn anything. You are just, giving your content to them. They own it. The platform owns it. Instagram owns it, and it monetizes it. Or TikTok owns it, and it monetizes it. Whereas on Chingari, you own your data. As a Chingari creator, when you upload your content on Chingari, we give you the ability to convert that video into an NFT on Solana. So every video that you upload on Chingari is technically or essentially can be owned by you as an NFT forever, for all your life. And every time a video becomes viral, you as a creator can own, because you own it, you will get a part of the transaction, like share of the trade. So let's say your fans want to support you by buying your video, and then this video, every time it gets traded, you earn a small percentage of that. Nothing of this sort is possible on Instagram or TikTok today. So let me ask you this. Where do you think, so Bitcoin has done really well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have done really well. They have got 200 million users to crypto globally. What do you think will bring the next billion daily active users to crypto? So it's, it's we feel, I personally feel it will be two verticals. One will be gaming, and the second will be social media. So in gaming, we already have a lot of platforms like Axie, which recently is doing pretty well with its game Axie Infinity. Then we have the Sandbox Mana. Also, Star Atlas has a very popular game on Solana. So gaming as a vertical, will give NFT-based gaming where gamers will start owning the games. That is the next one of the next vertical which can bring 1 billion daily active users to crypto. The second will be social. So we have a couple of social platforms like Audius, which is Spotify on blockchain. So if you are a fan of Spotify or Apple Music, you can try Audius, which helps you, where you can monetize your music using tokens and also own it. Rally, which is like a crypto for creators, and then Props, which is try to do a YouTube on blockchain. What Chingari and Gari is doing, so we are one of the leading social media apps on blockchain. We are the second fastest, or like the second largest Solana-based token with more than 350,000 daily active wallets as on today. Growing by 10,000 active wallets every day on Solana. Our entire user base is the total downloads is at around 130 million today, and monthly active user base is around 40 million. We haven't made the Gari token wallet active on every user because we want to, take it slow and understand the user behavior before we expose 30, 40 million crypto, social media users to crypto. So, but where we are sitting at today, I think Chingari has this real opportunity to bring the next billion users into crypto. What I feel is once we launch internationally, there will be a lot of non-crypto users, non-crypto native users who for the first time will get experience to the Gari token before they even have seen Bitcoin or Ethereum, well, before they have minted a Bitcoin or before they have even seen any other token, they would be using Gari tokens, which is a very big opportunity. Yeah, so the social media companies right now are increasingly focusing on video. Like TikTok proved that short video is the future of social. There is a lot of, as we are getting more and more used to digital information in our daily lives, our attention span is going down and down, and so earlier we used to like watching test matches, then it became one-day matches, and now it is 2020s. With attention time span going down, I think short videos is the future, and we are seeing traditional social media companies like Facebook also focusing big time into this. Facebook has launched a product called as Reels all across the world, where they are also focusing on short video. So I think short video or video as a format is the future. And then even in the metaverse that Facebook is talking about, video will play a big part, because your AR content or VR content is all on video. And the future of how the internet should be built is Web3 or through the blockchain, where you need to make your owners, your community, as owners of what you are building. I think blockchain presents that opportunity, and we are happy to merge the two and build a platform together. So these are the stats of the app. These are global stats again. So we have 5 million daily active users, 40 million monthly active users, more than 130 million downloads in the last 2 years, and 250 million videos are being watched on Chingari every single day. Like quarter of a billion videos being watched, and that's a lot of content being served. We were in the top 20 globally, top 20 downloaded apps, right with Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Netflix. Actually, bigger than Netflix in terms of growth. So these are some of the key features that we are building. So the short video is the core product. We started as a short video app. And on top of that, we have built video commerce to monetize. So everything that you see inside the app will happen using the Gari tokens in the future. So we already have a huge captive user base. We introduce the token to that user base, and then any transaction that is happening within the ecosystem, the app ecosystem, will happen through these social tokens, which basically is driving value for us. So Chingari as an app takes a small transaction fee from all these transactions, and this transaction fee sits in our balance sheet. That's how Chingari makes money. All the transactions that Gari token does, 50% of this transaction fee also goes to the DAO treasury, Gari DAO treasury. That's how the DAO treasury also makes money, and it can keep funding and building the project. The new things that we are launching are Chingari Skills and Multiplex. So Multiplex is a very interesting application of Gari tokens and the Chingari application. What we are doing essentially here is we are NFTizing every movie that will be produced in India. So let's say a movie production house comes to Chingari and says, hey, I want to capitalize your 130 million captive user base. My movie production cost is $2 million. I want to sell 10,000 NFTs of this movie. So 10,000 Chingari users can actually buy the rights of this movie through NFTs, and this movie will be monetized on the Chingari Multiplex on the Chingari captive user base. Every time the movie makes money, the money will be distributed equally between the production house and the NFT owners. So this will be like a new way of financing. This will become a new way of financing movies on chain, on blockchain, within the Chingari ecosystem. On the Gari side, these are our stats. So we are the second largest project on Solana now, the first being Kin, more than 350,000. So from yesterday to today, since I made this slide, we have grown by 20,000 active wallets. So every day we are adding 10,000 new active wallets on Solana. We airdropped 50 million Gari tokens to our user base in last 6 months since we have launched. The Gari community, Chingari community absolutely loves what we are building. And we have seen our average retention, engagement going up because of Gari. So globally, this is a $100 billion creator economy that is waiting to be disrupted. So essentially, this is everything that you can do with the Gari token inside the Chingari app. So let's say you are on Instagram, you are an influencer, you have 1 million followers. One of your followers messages you for and expects a reply back. I don't think any influencer will have the time to reply to his fans or followers. But on Chingari, you can buy an NFT of the creator or the influencer, or you can, stake him some Gari tokens, and then you become a part of his circle where, like, you can expect a response from this guy because you have either staked him. So we have something called as creator staking, where you can stake a creator and become part of his early journey. So imagine staking PewDiePie when he was just starting up, or imagine staking any digital creator when he's just starting up his digital life and being a part of his success journey. So any money that he makes throughout his digital career, you will be, as a staker, you will be part of his success. And there are all the other features. You can video call him, chat with him, buy a subscriber video message, or buy a shout out, or tip the user using Gari tokens. And we also recently launched something as a private NFT collection. So these are 10,000 very cute pandas. Panda is Gari's mascot. The idea behind this collection was, so we will be launching more of these collections in the future inside the Chingari app as utilities. So one of the main key utilities of the Panda collection is that to advertise on the Chingari app, and you can get more of this information in our booth that we have outside. Imagine you are a project on Solana, or any project for that matter. You want access to 300,000 active crypto KYC'd users. Chingari gives you that. You can put an advertisement on our wallet. These are 300,000 global active crypto users, and they come to the app every day. You can put your project in front of them and get them onboarded to your project. So to advertise on Chingari, you need to own a Gari Panda. And this was one use case we were just playing around and figured out we'll just launch this and try it out. And in the future, we want to expand to, so we are already in Indonesia now. We are launching in Turkey next, then probably GCC. And Chingari is not just an India app. Like, that is a common perception that, oh, they are the TikTok of India. So we want to change that. It's not a India-only app. With Gari, we are a global play now. We will be in every country where short videos are created or consumed. And we want to give our creators the ability to own Chingari and through the Gari tokens and be a part of this revolution, the next creator economy revolution. Thank you.